US-based smartphone maker InFocus has launched a brand new smartphone called InFocus Vision 3 Pro, and the smartphone will exclusively go on sale via Amazon India. We have received the device to play around with it, and we are here with the first impression video of the smartphone. This is Karan Sharma from Gizbot. Let's get started. So let's unbox this device and see what's there in the box. So first we got the Vision 3 Pro, the phone. We'll keep it aside. And then we got the warranty card and the user manual. Inside the box we have a charging adapter, a USB cable, a SIM ejector tool and a headphone. So these are the box contents. Let's quickly boot up the phone. The Vision 3 Pro comes with several highlights including sleek design, 18:9 ratio display and dual camera among them. The rear panel of the Vision 3 Pro will again remind you of the iPhone 7 Plus. It has a similar horizontal dual camera setup along with the LED flash mode. The biometric scanner is placed a little below towards the center, followed by the InFocus branding. The left side of the phone has a SIM tray, whereas the right side houses the power button and the volume control buttons. On the bottom edge, you get a standard micro USB port and the speaker grills. And at the top, there is a 3.5 mm audio jack. Design-wise speaking, despite featuring a plastic back, the InFocus 3 Pro managed to look premium. Unfortunately, the plastic finish makes the smartphone doesn't offer a good grip. It will be a sore point for some people. The Vision 3 Pro comes with a 5.2 HD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 18:9. Based on our hand-on experience, the display is quite bright and the text looks sharper as well, and narrow bezels on the sides. Since we have a midnight black variant, it gives the illusion of completely bezel-less screen when the screen is turned off. We are yet to test the sunlight legibility of the smartphone, but we will include that in our full review. The InFocus Vision 3 Pro is powered by an octa-core processor that is clocked at 1.5 GHz. The chip is coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage, which can be expandable via micro SD card. The smartphone is backed by a 4000 mAh non-removable battery, and the battery capacity is decent and you might not need to charge it more than once in a day. The InFocus Vision 3 Pro runs on an Android 7.0 nougat, which may disappoint some users who were looking for an Android Oreo. This smartphone comes with a dual camera setup, which is one of the USP of the InFocus Vision 3 Pro. There is a 13 megapixel primary sensor and 8 megapixel secondary sensor. The rear camera comes with several features like beauty mode, pro mode, portrait mode, panorama and time lapse. We didn't have much expectation from the portrait mode, but the pictures we clicked managed to impress us. However, the low light performance of the camera is a bit disappointing. The selfie camera is a 13 megapixel sensor which can click pretty decent images. We really like how the camera doesn't unnecessarily whiten the complexion or blur the images. The one downer is the lack of a selfie flash. The InFocus Vision 3 Pro also comes with a facial recognition feature. So let's see how the face recognition features work on this smartphone. So let's add the face first. So we have added our Face ID with this phone. Let's see how the phone reacts when we unlock the phone. Wow, that's pretty smooth. I haven't expected this from InFocus. So let's try one more time. It works very smoothly. While using the phone, we did not face any major lagging issues, but on the flip side, the phone starts a little slow than the usual, and the touch is not that responsive as we are expecting from this smartphone, which can frustrate some users. With that said, it's time for sign off, and if you enjoyed this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel.